Here I have a Troy-Bilt Mustang 54. This is a good looking mower, low hours at only 292. It's got a good wide wheelbase, which is good for stability, as well as wide casters. It's got a 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. It has its mulching kit. Personally, this is one of my favorite mowers for this deck, as 54 inches just feels like the right width. 3 blades gives you good coverage, and it comes in this really cool gunmetal bluish gray that I quite like. But let's get it started. To get this started, you have to make sure that the arms are all the way out, as this has an automatic brake system, no manual brake. Our choke position is all the way above throttle. Make sure our blades are disengaged and start. Runs without smoke. Deck height. Automatic brakes. Overall, this is a good system, good mower. As you can see, we got a good clean cut. Our grass was a little exceptionally tall today, so if you notice a little rough patches, it'd also be the bend right here in our grass, but in our hill. But this is overall a good mower.